probably not going to tip over. That is a really neat rock. I wonder how that perfect hole got put into it.
King said it was solution holes.
Solution holes.
Yeah. Then you don't get the water hose and wash it out first.
Looks like that rock is cleaned up nice.
Yes, Stephanie, it really does look nice. This rock seems like it turned out really well. I know you had a good eye, and you were thinking it was going to make a nice water feature, and which it actually did. And but as we were cleaning it, we found this additional hole here, which I think makes it look much more dramatic. And this is actually a great water feature rock. We're hoping, and I'm pretty sure it'll happen, is picking out the select rocks and sawing them and orienting them where they'll stand up and work good for water features and garden features. This rock reminds me of a big mountain, reminiscent of a large mountain. But the rocks and the features of the rocks are really go very well with garden features and styling.